Hey, what's going on everybody? In this video we are going to see something called event handling. For this one we are going to take multiple videos to explain this thing. So bear with me. I'm starting one by one. Okay, first this is my class public apples, and above this class I'm going to import a bunch of things. Import java.awt.flow layout and then import maybe okay, I type it again. Import java.awt event dot action listener dot action dot awt event dot action listener. Okay, and then import java java.awt.event dot action event. And the next thing is we are gonna import java dot swing dot jframe, and we are gonna have some more things similar to this. Yeah, copy this one and paste it three more times. We are gonna have three more. Command V. Okay, import java.swing jframe, and the next one is jtext field. After that we are going to have text field, and the next one is password field. Password field. And the next thing we are going to have is option pane. And here we have public class apples, and here we are going to give an inheritance that's extends to jframe. Okay, and then in the main thing we are going to type something. Private text field. I'm going to create three items. Private text jtext field item 1, and for similar to this one we are going to create item 2, item 3 as well. So I copy this one and paste it two more times. Command V. And the fourth one, we have three of these, and this one is item 2 and this one is item 3, and the fourth one is going to be password field. And this one is password field. Okay, now we are going to create a method that is public apples, and inside of this method I'm going to type something like the first one, super title. If you watch my previous video I have explained about this. super title. This is gonna be the title of the pop-up screen, so I'm just gonna name it as title. And the next thing is set layout, and inside of the parentheses we are going to type new floor layout. All these built-in things, nothing changes. Layout and a bracket and a semicolon. Now the next thing we are going to create is item 1. Item 1 is equal to new j text field, and bracket I'm going to put 10 and add item 1 and a semicolon. Now like this, I'm going to copy this one and paste it 2 more times because we are going to have the similar thing. Command V. Okay, this one is item 2. New JText field. For this one, inside of this one, I'm going to put a text like enter text here. This is within the quad mark, and this is item 2. And the next thing we are going to have is we are going to have something uneditable. The text we cannot edit, that's what it means. And new text field, inside of this bracket I'm going to put in a quad mark, that is uneditable, and comma 20, and below this one I'm going to type item 3 dot set editable and make it false. It means in uneditable. Okay, false. And this one is item 3, and the last one we are going to type is password field. We created for item 1, item 2, item 3. The last one we have is password field. In this one, this is equal to new password field, new j password field, and here I'm going to put my pass, semicolon, and add password field. Okay, now I am done with this. I'm going to do multiple videos to explain this one. Now let's see some error messages we are having. Let's see whether we can fix it here. java.swing jframe. Why I'm seeing error message? Java.swing jtext field, that's perfect. Java.swing jpassword field, joption pane, jframe, this is private, jpassword field, Okay, in this video I'm not going to use it. In my next video I'm going to use this one. Let's see how we're going to fix it. Okay, I'm going to fix that one and show you guys the full code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.